I believe these things do have like a drift mode and like a performance mode, race mode. Woo!
We didn't really do our planning particularly well this week for media, so we need someone to review a car, so we're going to walk around until we find somebody. Sean's doing an interview. It's up there. You can check him out. And I think Anastasia is taking care of the random kids. I think that one that you saw before.
Right.
And Tanisha, I think, is actually selling a car. That's great.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Let's see who else there is. Kevin's talking on the phone.
Did you say for show?
Faux show. He did say faux show. He said faux show on the phone. The professionalism is uncanny. Next, I guess, deep in doing deals and things like that. Kayvon's shuffling through papers, pretending to be busy. Maybe he figured out what we're doing and he's just pretending.
For the most part.
Oh, okay. I don't know what Megan's doing. Police officer Megan. Wow, running thin on volunteers here. I don't know, let's try outside. Oh, did you see the new Lambo that we got? We got another Lambo. This is still the Porsche. Daniel's pitching customers right now. So here, we could go and walk to the other Lambo, but that's this way. Yeah. Jonathan's like, I don't know what he's doing. Oh, okay. I don't know, we could get Sam to do a car review. Sam, do you want to do a car review? Anybody? Car review? Steve? There's got to be someone. Who said, did someone say okay? Steve, could you please do a car review for us? Okay, fine, we'll leave them alone. Derek, car review? What do you want to drive? Do you want to do a review on a Golf R? He's even running away, look at that. Golf R review? New one? Yeah, brand new one. I got the key like right here. Here. Let's make sure that there's no random items in the car. It's pretty good. Perfect. It's all ready to go.
Bye.
Go for a drive, I guess.
Let's go for a drive.
What's up, guys? It's Derek from Richmond Volkswagen. We got a Golf R here, black edition. You know, black accents is great. Black rims, black stuff. Some people that like chrome, get this option. Let's go for a drive and see how it's like.
You're not a salesperson, though, right?
No. Service advisor. If your car breaks down, come find me.
So how long you been doing this, man?
10 years.
Really?
Yeah, for a long time.
What got you into service?
I went to school to be a technician. Partway through, I was like, I don't want to work on cars. I'll be a service advisor. And I just followed that path. Yeah, that was it. Like, I still enjoyed working on vehicles, but I kind of learned and understood that I didn't want to do it as a job and kind of ruin it. So what can I do that can apply that same skill, but still help people all around? Service advisor.
So what's the fun part of the job?
Sometimes it's the people. Sometimes it's just being able to see all the new cars. It's just kind of be cool to see, I guess, forefront of technology to a degree. It's exciting to see all the new cars come out.
What's your favorite?
Of all time?
Oh yeah, let's go, all time.
All time? Oh God. I think gut instinct is probably 1999 Zonda C12.
What is that?
It's Italian. Pagani Zonda.
And what's so neat about it?
If you know the story about Horacio Pagani, the founder of it, he used to work at Lamborghini. He kind of spearheaded all the carbon technologies of like carbon bodies, carbon composites, but then Lamborghini didn't want to invest in the autoclave, which is what bakes and hardens effectively all the carbon. But so he invested his own money, bought it for the company and used it up. And then he eventually left the company to start his own thing, which is Pagani, his namesake brand. And yeah, it kind of goes on from there and then just make incredible, beautiful cars.
So then, are you proud to be a Volkswagen service advisor? Are you proud of the brand?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay,
Sometimes.
That's
Overall,
a genuine answer.
Overall, the passion that some people have about the brand and the cars, you can definitely see it. The amount of money people will spend to keep the cars going alive. You hear them saying, oh, I've driven Volkswagens all my life. My parents drove a Volkswagen, my grandparents drove a Volkswagen. It's cool to see.
Okay, what do you like about Volkswagen? What do you wish could be, what would you like them to work on?
I think overall their designs are pretty good. They're very contemporary, it's very clean. I think overall they do make a solid car, especially for the price that they're selling them for. Biggest problem nowadays, I think everybody has the same issues where there's just too much technology going on. And a lot of the troubles that the techs go through is relatively easy to mechanically fix something, because you can replace a part, you know what's been kind of going on. But all these new cars are all software, it's all technology, where you can't fix software because we're not the ones that write the code, so we're just kind of just stuck there.
Right.
It's just can't do anything about it.
Right. Are you finding yourself having to learn new things because of that?
A little bit.
Is AI becoming a thing? is that about to be a thing?
I hope not. I think that opens up too many cans of worms for the security and the safety of the car and all the technologies where you could just hack in the car. You just can't start it. You can't drive it. You can just kidnap people.
Wow, that's pretty dark. We went dark so quick. I can't just kidnap people.
Because everything's by wire now, right? Your throttle's by wire, your braking's by wire, your steering's by wire.
Okay.
So theoretically, if you can control the car, you can just drive it anywhere you want without the driver's input.
So you are a fan of racing?
I do like it, yeah. I used to track my car and then I got into an accident, so I can't really track it anymore. It's fun to be able to enjoy what the car's capable of and drive at 60 kilometers an hour, 50 kilometers an hour, and just puts about.
Yeah. What equipment are you riding on?
I have a 2016 FRS. Had that for 9 years now.
So we're driving in, I would say, everybody's big old dream, the Golf R. What's your take?
Very spacious. The Mark 8s seem like a tighter car compared to the Mark 7s.
Okay.
Yeah, the DSG transmission is incredible. It's so fast, it's so responsive.
GS what?
DSG.
DSG, what does that stand for?
It's a German acronym. I can't exactly remember what it stands for, but it effectively just means it's a dual clutch transmission
Okay.
for the vehicle. Yeah. What happens is, while you're in, let's say, second gear, the second clutch is already pre-activating third gear. So the moment you press the pedal, it's instant. It just goes and it just changes. So instead of having to, like, in a manual car, you press the clutch in, with the lever, it's just kind of bang, 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 just goes.
The look of the dash and everything, it's all electronic now.
Get the big paddles now, the Mark 8s. Because back then the Mark 7s were like a little dinky thing.
Right.
But now they're the bigger ones. So arguably aesthetic, arguably it's more area for you to grab it and activate it. A lot of customers would add on these plates to the tiny ones that make it pretty much the size. So doing it from the factory saves people a couple bucks when buying it. So I don't know. I believe these things do have like a drift mode and like a performance mode, which of course we're not going to do on the street because that's not safe. But yeah, there's like race modes.
yeah.
There's a bunch of like different. Oh, there's a Nürburgring mode. Wow.
I felt that already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, no, for sure. But you felt it. I felt it. Out of the Volkswagen line, what have you had most seat time in?
Probably the Tiguan, just because we sell so many of them.
So you have to see them for stuff.
You just see them so much, yeah. Unfortunately, we don't get too much seat time in the actual cars. At most, we just, customers come in, we check it in, we put it around for like 20 seconds, park it, and that's really it.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have any tips for customers?
For these cars, there's a saying where German cars will kind of work and run, but you have to play by their rules and follow their service intervals and make sure everything is proper. So as long as you do that, we've seen these cars last hundreds of thousands of kilometers and kind of just, no problem. Just do your services, check your oil levels. Because the cars will tell you if the oil level's low.
Yeah.
Some people just ignore it and they keep driving it. But, if your oil level's low, then that of course affects the actual engine itself. So
Right. How's electrical?
the car itself is fine. In terms of the way that the ID4 is made and how its use is, it does feel very advanced in a way where with the auto unlock and auto lock features where you walk towards the car, it unlocks, you get in, step on the brakes, it just goes, you're done, you hit the park button, you walk away, it locks by itself. Oh, it's cool. Once you get used to that, you do kind of get spoiled on regular cars, but the biggest problem is just the software. They're so interconnected and they're so intertwined with everything. From what they've told us is they try to fix one thing, but then another 10 spawns open. So you're just constantly chasing and trying to put out fires that one fire gets put out, two pop up, and you just constantly fall in that domino. So aside from like the new ID4 stuff with all the software, in terms of the actual hardware and stuff, it's not too bad. I think in terms of however many cars are out there, the ones that we actually see, if you think about it, it's not a huge number of cars that have a failure. Of course, as a service department, we kind of just see the worst of everything.
Yeah.
But if we kind of step back a bit, you think about it, it's like there's a lot of cars that are out there that don't have issues. So it's like, it's not too bad overall.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
Yeah. Should we step out and talk about this vehicle?
Sure.
You want to walk me around this?
I'll try. I think the Mark 7s have a more timeless look. compared to the Mark 8s.
Yeah.
I think the Mark 8s will look of its era to a degree. It has grown on me a bit more, but I still think the Mark 7s look a bit better. There's some neat details on these cars. The thing I'm not huge on is, I think the back end a little bit is too Tiguan-y. It's very like squarish and like angular. I'm a bit off on it.
You want like, was it Mark 7 was rounded?
It felt more integrated in terms of the design, it felt more cohesive to it. I think the cool thing, I know people were asking about for the Mark 7s, because in Europe they got the Akrapovic exhaust.
Yeah.
I know the Mark 8s come with them now, or you can inspect them with it now. I don't know what it sounds like though, but I'm sure it'll be decent. The center logo I think is a bit you know, there's nothing wrong with just a side logo. It's classic positioning, it's cool, but
So they threw it up a little different.
a little bit. I don't know how I feel about it. Everybody always has to change the logo a little bit every couple of years, but
You'd like it to stay the same.
you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? But I know Mark 8s come with the sunroof now. A lot of people like sunroofs.
Yo, you want it like encased in.
Sunroof's not good.
I get you.
Sunroof's not good, but
Okay.
I think they've grown on me a bit. The Mark 8s look decent.
If you're a sunroof person,
You can find the option with the sunroof.
that's the one. Hey, you're gonna get this. If somebody's gonna give you this, what would you add to it? What would you?
I think overall, there's actually pretty decent spec. You can get the blacked out lenses, you get the blacked out chrome pieces.
Yeah.
I'll probably delete the sunroof.
Yeah.
Personally, I do like a cloth seat because I think the cloth seat does look pretty good. Especially these ones that have like a pretty nice design to it. It's kind of cool. You get the little tartan. It's a little throwbacky to like the GTI's tartan seats with its own different take.
Yeah, you're right. And it feels good. Like sitting down, it was nice.
Super comfortable, well support.
Yeah.
But no, overall, I think it's not bad.
Yeah, you might not think about bringing your kids in there,
You could though.
but you
It
can.
has, yeah, it's got ISOFIX. You can.
What's that?
It's got ISOFIX.
What does that mean?
So it's the anchor points to put in your child
that's
seats.
right. I should know that. I am a father, but yeah. Okay, yeah. Check.
It's practical, big boot. I think I would stick with the DSG. To me, suits the Golf R's energy quite well. GTI I'd probably go with the manual.
Now we don't have manual anymore, do we?
You're right. Oh my god.
Ah,
Oh
somebody
my
corrected me online.
goodness.
Somebody corrected me online.
Yeah,
about that.
24s. That's the last year. Damn, that sucks.
That means if you've had one, it just became an instant classic. So what do we got here for brakes?
Pretty big rotors, it looks like. Honestly,
Yeah.
they've upped the size quite a bit. It's definitely. I want to say it's definitely bigger than the Golf R's, like the Mark 7s.
Yeah.
The wheels look bigger as well too. These are 20s almost, maybe. These are 19s.
It's a good sign when you have the same brand show up right beside a car review. It's like a really good sign. Heads-up display and all that as well.
Yep, it's nice. You don't have to worry about looking down so much.
How much information does it give you up front?
I think it shows navigation maps too.
Oh, really?
I think so. So if you have nav set up, you're going to a destination, it'll tell you left and right, how many meters I think it is.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
So how many more years are you going to keep on? Are you going to retire at Volkswagen?
I'm only 31, so I got a long ways to go. A long way to go.
And you've been with them for how long?
10?
10 years.
10 years.
Damn.
10 years in since June.
Well, congratulations. That's a big deal.
Long
That's
time.
a big deal. Everything after 10 is like, you start to think about your life in different ways. You're like,
crazy.
I'm here now? Oh my God, I could die here. Like, that's how you start thinking. I could die here.
Who knows? Maybe I'll die when the new building goes up, but that's
There you go. Is there a new building coming? Is that the word?
That's what I've been told for the past 9 years, so we'll see.
We'll see. Yeah. I like this whole front thing, except now that I know that there's data in there, it doesn't have the same vibe as like a emblem.
To me, I like very low-tech cars. I'm very mid-tech, because then the problem with these things is that the front radar is in front here,
Yeah.
but let's say you're like just shopping, you're in Richmond, somebody just bumps into it, it's just out of alignment. Oh, it's like $400 to calibrate it.
Whoa, snap! So drive carefully.
But even if you're careful, you're just parking it, you can't do anything. No, so I just don't.
Words of advice then. If you're gonna buy Volkswagen.
Honestly, follow the manufacturer specs for maintenance. Make sure it warms up before you drive it hard. Fill it up with proper gas.
Make sure what?
Warms up. But for performance vehicles, it's like you can't expect someone to wake up and just run 100 meter sprint. You gotta warm up, limber up, and then you go. Same thing with cars. You gotta let it warm up, get the fluids flowing, and then do whatever you want. But until then, treat it nice. Just follow the owner's manual for service. You know, they test it for a reason. It should be fine regarding that. So,
Okay.
yeah. Honestly, sometimes things can be manual is just as good. Like a manual seat, people, oh, it's manual seats, oh.
Yeah.
But like, how often do you move your seat? You move it once and you're done.
Yeah.
You know, like,
Once you're set, your seat's always gonna be the same way, right?
isn't that?
Because you're not gonna have everybody drive this.
Exactly.
You're not gonna let your kid drive it. Your kid. Well, maybe you will. You might
You
steal it.
You know, it's tame enough. You know, you could drive it like a regular Golf.
Yeah.
Put it in like race mode, just dun.
Yeah.
Good old camera quality.
shoulder check and like use your mirrors.
Honestly though,
You like that
as I like a back camera. In terms of technology, I like a back camera.
Yeah.
But as simple as like brain dead this seems, we still have people here that can't park a car in the lines, even there's a camera to play there. But hey, you know,
Shots fired.
I can't judge.
Shots fired by Derek. His name is Derek. You can call him at 604-555-555 Derek.
Yeah.